I know we've all had this kind of situation. Leave the batteries in there too long, they corrode over. Well, let me show you how you can fix that. These batteries have been in there for over a year, and the reason they haven't corroded over, take one battery out, doesn't matter which one. If it's got 3 batteries, even just one battery, just take the battery out, and what you want to do is just reverse it. Put the positive to the negative and the negative to the positive. Okay, this battery's in backwards. It's not going to work. Okay, but when you get ready to use it, take the battery that you turned around, take it out, turn it around, put it in, and it works. What it is across the switch there is a small drain that drains these batteries. I mean, it's so small you can't even measure it with anything hardly. I mean, you can with super sensitive instruments, but that'll keep that from turning into this, which, I mean, I could spend time to clean this, which I might do anyway, but probably just going to end up throwing it away and just getting a new one. These are only just a couple of bucks, but these are great flashlights. Alrighty, just thought I'd throw that out at you. Okay, I've got this stuff that's QD electronic cleaner. We're going to try it. Make sure you got adequate ventilation. Set this outside. Okay, cleaned it up a little bit. Let's just see if it'll work. We know it's the same one because you can see the corrosion in there and here. I'll be darned. Look at there. So, by golly, take one of these out, turn it around, and we're good to go. Well, that's the first time I've had any luck. I guess it wasn't that bad. But anyway, there you go.